course, and the final tutorial would be about the steel designing and post processing. So we would be using this option in the next tutorial. Right now I would click stay in modeling mode and click done. Now we can see, I would click here to deselect all the beams. Now we can use all these options here: axial force, shear force, the bending moments, the deflection. We can use these diagrams only because we had chosen this all print options. That's why we had chosen this all print option here, so that we can stay in modeling mode and then choose deflection, or maybe the bending moment diagram here, or anything we want. So let's first see deflection. Click on the deflection button here, it would activate, it would like engrave into the menu. Yeah, then like right now we don't see any deflection here because the scale is too tight. There's a scale button here. You can go into this menu, or like you can click directly onto this button, and we have a big window of all this with these numbers and scales and everything. For displacement we have it here. I will decrease it to 500 and click apply. Let's see if we have something. Still, let's try something like 100, or 100 we have some displacement. Maybe let's try 50. Yeah, 50 is look a little bit evident. Now we have a displacement on the right side. Why? Because right now we are in the load combination number 3 here. You can see on the right bottom, and also here in the wind load. If we go into the dead load and then again see if the displacement is still here, so the displacement for the the displacement due to the dead load is not much. As you can see on the scale of 50 also, there is not much deflection. The green line is overlapping the previous beams. You can also press Ctrl and scroll on your keyboard to increase or decrease the scale. See, you can easily do that. This support was, I guess, roller support. That's why it is moving on the right side and the structure is collapsing like this. I will use some sophisticated scale, and let's see the live load. Live load was 10 kilonewton, I think, and this is the displacement. The top beam, the displacement is very high. Let's see what it is. It is 0.5. Previously it was 1009, and now after 0.5 also we don't have much of a deflection. For wind load we have already seen. I have to decrease. uh, let's go from the menu only. It was 50. Yeah, with the wind it is this diagram. Then the load combinations we had input. This is the load combination. Dead load 1.1